E aí pessoal, mais dia de pedal, but today I'm not riding. It's Tuesday evening and I started packing my stuff for the next bike adventure. Some of you already captured this information in some videos and comments in the channel, and this time the trip will be in Michigan. Everything started a couple of months ago when I was talking to some friends about my adventures in South Korea with this bike. And a friend just shouted, "Oh, we should cross Michigan." Making some quick research in the internet, we found this organization called the Great Lake to Lake Trails, and there is a bike route from South Haven to Port Huron with a little bit more than 250 miles connecting Lake Michigan to Lake Huron. If you think that we are of the cyclist or good athletes, we are not. It's important to say that bike touring or bike packing is not a competition or a race. It's all about to ride a bicycle, have fun, know new places, and enjoy the trip. It doesn't mean that it's easy or not challenging. You have to train, get prepared, but more than that, your brain has to be stronger than your legs. It is much more a mental than a physical challenge. If I can give you one advice, is that you should know your limits and your conditions, and then define how many days and how many miles you want to ride each day. Given that we were planning to ride about 100 miles on the first and second days, we started a very long endurance training, and we proposed ourselves to take our bikes with the gear and the luggage that we are taking during the trip for a 100 miles ride, just to see how it behaves and how our bodies react to this challenge. What I can tell is that it's not easy. Even though you can set your pace and your cadence according to your conditions, your body will be on the bike for about 10 to 12 hours during the day. So your shoulders, your neck, and also your butt will complain. So it's very important for you to test this before the long trip. Let me talk about the bike, gear, and what to bring in this kind of trip. For this trip, I'm taking the same joint stance full suspension that I brought to South Korea. Only thing that I did was to replace the tires for slick ones to get some better roller resistance and some more comfort during the ride. Important thing that you have to verify is where to refill your water. For this trip, I don't anticipate it much difficult as we are going through several cities, but I added one more bottle holder to this bike. For my electronic devices and mobile phone, I am bringing this top tube bag, and for the main luggage, I have this saddle bag, a 10-liter saddle bag, as I cannot place a rear rack since it is a full suspension frame. For basic maintenance, I am bringing here our air pump, patch kit, inner tube, some electrical tape, zip ties, bags, don't forget your loop, and also a small pocket knife in case that you need. Nutrition bag depends on the trip that you are making. In our case, the main meals we intend to have in restaurants, but for small stops during the trip, I recommend you to bring some protein bars, some cereal bars, some nuts and chocolates just to refuel your energy. Travel as light as possible, so don't bring unnecessary clothing to your trip. Bear in mind that you can always wash your clothes at the end of the day if you are taking a hotel room. Always check the weather conditions during your trip, and then you can define better what kind of clothing you should bring. And even if there's no rain forecasted, it's always good to bring a raincoat, and in my case, I like to use long sleeves just to get protection from the sun. Don't forget your charging cables, and also try to bring a power bank just in case that you do not find outlets along the trail. during these COVID times, don't forget your hand sanitizer, your mask and or bandana. Always wear helmet. I also recommend gloves and glasses. Even if you are riding during the day, use the lights on your bike. Bring a piece of paper with your name and the emergency contacts and have a bell on your bike. Remember, have fun, ride safe, and after all, we all have someone waiting for us at home. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.